Bat Penguin! It's Bat Penguin! It's Bat Penguin! Hi, it is Bat Penguin! And here are your announcements. The only announcement is you need to finish your letters. Finish your letters. Finish Freedom Walkers, because next Friday is the end of the quarter, and you've got to get it all done by then. Bat Penguin! That is it for me. Bat Penguin, out. All right, on that note, thank you, Bat Penguin, for those announcements. As you can see, I am not Bat Penguin. Bat Penguin had to go somewhere else. But here are your follow-up announcements. First off, this is what you are working on today. Zoom! Oh man, I bet like 3 people probably did. Let's try it again. Remember, Zoom, you gotta look at the person talking. In this case, you're gonna look at the screen. 1, 2, 3, Zoom! All right, one final time. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, Zoom! All right, voices are off because I want you to make sure you hear this. These are your instructions for today. You have most of the block today to work on your letters. I am expecting some amazing letters because I would like to send these off. But I'm only going to send off letters that are magnificent, splendid, super great persuasive writing. If you're not putting your heart and energy into this, I'm not going to send it off. Okay? I want to be proud of what I send to these people. And I really am putting together envelopes. One for Mr. Allison, one for Mayor Mike, one for Mr. Leibel, one for Mrs. Lynn, and one for Mr. Moran. Okay? So those are all people that I'm going to send a packet of letters to about things that you would like to see change. Now, first thing you're going to do is finish the Stop and Dare video on Edpuzzle. So go on Edpuzzle, watch the video, complete both sides of the form. When you're done with that, you're going to turn that in for a grade, so make sure you complete it. Then, you're going to write your letter. You're going to write your letter, put a lot of thought into it. Make sure you have plenty of details in that letter. Okay? So for your reason, don't just say, we need a nap time because kids get tired. Flesh that out. Develop that idea of kids get tired so you could describe an example of a time when you fell asleep in class. You might do a little bit of research. Find some articles online that show that kids need 8-9 hours of sleep. Go find an article that shows that the effect that sleep has on your brain. Okay? So, find some extra research to fully develop that idea. Once you are done, you think your letter is perfect, you are going to quietly come up to the substitute, which I believe is Mr. Kurtz again. Okay? And you're going to ask for one of these. This is a proofreading checklist. You will go to someone and ask them to proofread quietly. You're going to whisper after you get this from Mr. Kurtz, which means you get permission, okay, to get this. And you will give this to a partner and say, would you mind, please, just proofreading my essay? And when you're proofreading someone, you're going to just tell me yes or no. Yes, it's got 5 paragraphs. Yes, it has an introduction, introduces the author. Go through all of these. And then over here, you're going to circle at least one thing that they could improve on. Okay? When you get this back, don't be offended if they circle and say you need more description. Or if they say you need to add more voice. Okay? Just go back in and try to add those elements to it. Make it perfect and get that turned in. These are due on Monday. Everybody say Monday. One more time. Monday. All right, so on Monday, these are due. This is your only time, your last chance to get these turned in. All right, now for the tweet ups. Tweet ups! Here are the tweet ups for today. Tweet up number 1. Mr. Stock, you have the best class in SFT from an unknown source. And it says, awesome. Next tweet up. 2, Mr. Stock. A tweet up goes up to Braden, Braxton, Luis Morales, Tyler, and Jackson Roller for being a good team / friend / good person, and Tim Tree Stump in 7th hour. This one says, Do the dab for Giovanni. This one says, Abby C, she tied my shoe. Hashtag ew. This one's for Jasmine B. Me and Jasmine got kicked out of McDonald's. From Mackenzie, what were you doing to get kicked out of McDonald's? That's not good. This one's to Manny for always being there for me and always being kind. And then finally, Kalia, Leah, you know why. Hashtag the nice potato. That is it for those tweet ups. Tweet ups. Don't forget, you can fill out the tweet ups. They're over there. Save those until after you've done some work on your letter. These announcements are going along, but I got one more announcement, and that is for the birthdays. We have 2 birthdays coming up on Friday. Here are your Friday birthdays. Anaya, woo! And Keelan, woo! So Anaya and Keelan have a birthday on Friday. Wish them a huge happy birthday. I am sad to hear that I had to miss your birthdays, but I hope it is a fantastic, amazing one. That is all I've got. Until next time, book it forward and be awesome. Bye, guys.